Hello. Today I want to talk about if you're a business professional and you have your own business. Today I want to talk about why the SBC planner works. Successful by choice. So we are successful. It's a choice. So in order to, you have to move in the direction that the successful people are moving in. And you have to do what the successful people are doing. And sometimes people will say stuff like, oh, well, I got it all in my head. But we're supposed to write the vision to make it plain. So if we write it, not digital, not download it, not type it, but if we write it, it's something about writing it down and making it plain that helps your business to grow. So when you have a planner, I prefer the SBC planner, but when you have a planner and you write it down, see, in this planner, it has a place for you to write your vision and write your goals. It has a place for you to put your vision board and to write and to put your pictures of your dream home and dream cars and stuff like that in there. And it has a worksheet for you to plan out your business and what do I need to do to get to my goals? How much do I want to be making? This and that. All of these are in your planner. So at the end of your 90 days, you can look back and see I've made this many posts on this platform. I've made this many phone calls. I've done this. In 90 days, you can see how much you've accomplished in your business. A lot of people don't follow a structure, so they post every blue moon, once a week. Every 2 or 3 days, whenever they get good and ready, and you can't run a business like that. You got to have some type of structure and order to your business and some type of foundation. So the planner, when I created the planner, I created it for me. So people like me, that relate to me, that's running a business, that need to use a planner because they know the power in writing the vision and making it plain. Not typing it, not downloading it, not thinking it in your head, but actually writing it down. And when you get through with this planner, you can see 90 days worth of stuff that you've accomplished. You can see what platforms are working for you. And you can see what you need to eliminate and what you need to do more of. That's when you start putting yourself on a winning streak with your social media marketing. When you're doing social media marketing, you have to find out which platforms work for your business. Every platform don't work for every business. Some platforms are good for this type of business. Some platforms are good for that type of business. But every platform is not good for every type of business. You have to learn these things. So if you start out and you're a beginner and you need some type of structure, some type of format, something to keep you on track and keep you to doing it, this is filled with income producing activities. If you online and you're trying to grow your business online, it is only certain things you need to be doing every single solitary day. You don't need to be doing this, that, or the other. It's only certain things you need to be doing every day. And if you're not doing those things, you're not doing income producing activities. Not just activities, not just getting online. You have to have a strategic plan. You have to have a purpose. And you have to know why you're online, what you're supposed to be doing. If you're trying to make money on the internet, you're trying to drive people to your product or service or your website or whatever you got going. And if you're trying to drive people to your product or service, then you have to have a plan of action to do that. And so the planner, successful by choice, because it's a choice. The planner is something to keep you on track, to keep you focused, laser focused, and let you sit down and do what you need to do every single day. If you use it, people will buy the planner and won't even use it. People will buy it and sit on the dresser and put it up there with the rest of their books that they done bought. People buy books all the time, don't use them at all. But a planner, you're supposed to write in it, put your vision in it, your 90-day vision. Don't put a long-term vision in it. Put a 90-day, what do you want to accomplish? Put your little your health and fitness goals in here. Put all your travel and vacation goals. Where do you want to go? Put that in here. Put that stuff in here. Put pictures of what you want to do as your vision board. So every time you come to this planner, you can look at your vision and see, hey, I want to go here in 3 months. I want to go there. I want to go to Jamaica. Put a picture of Jamaica to remind you that you want to go certain places. And then your dream car. Okay, if you don't want it in 3 months, just put your dream car here. It could be your Bentley, it could be your Audi, it could be whatever you want. You put it here, then you start on your outline. What do I want to be making every single month? How much do I want? You outline this stuff. Don't type it, don't download it, don't print it. You write it. Write the vision and make it plain. It wouldn't say that if we wasn't supposed to write it. Thinking it is not writing it. So when you write it, you can look at this stuff and say, okay, now how do I get there? I done written it. I know what I want. I want this and I want this. How do I get there? What kind of plan do I need to execute in order to get there? And then once you write down your plan and your goals, follow your steps in order to get there. Every day, if you're on social media and you're trying to grow on social media, the world is on social media, so there's no reason why you should have a business and not be growing on social media. So if you're on social media and you're not following steps every single day, doing this, doing that, doing this, doing that, you're doing it every couple of days, every blue moon, whenever you feel like it, whenever you have time, then you're not having structure. And you need structure in order to grow a business. So your structure is where this comes in. You can do this. You don't have to have this book to do this, but it's best for you to have this book to do this, because at the end of your 90 days, you can calculate and you can see, man, I followed this for 90 days. I done made 450 posts on this platform. I done did this on this platform. I done did this. And now you can, in 90 days, at the end, you can evaluate and you can see at the end of the 90 days, which platforms work best for me. Which platforms got me the most results, got me the most sales, got me the most leads, got me the most money. And then the next 90 days, you stick to those particular platforms. You pick 2 platforms and you stick to them after your first 90 days. But this planner is what gets you on track in order to stay focused, start being consistent. Consistency is key. It's so many people running around here inconsistent. Every now and then they decide to do something. Every blue moon they decide to, they inconsistent in their business. They inconsistent in their relationships. They inconsistent in their friendships. They just inconsistent. Somebody needs some type of structure. If you need a guideline, this SBC planner is your guideline for business owners. But this is for people who are specifically building businesses and they doing it online. They have websites, they have their business online, their presence online, and they want to enhance on their social media activities to generate more traffic, leads, and sales to their online business. That's what this is for. This is not just for any and everybody. When I created this planner, I had me in mind. This is for me to keep myself on track. This is for me to increase my income. So people like me, you see me online all the time, you see me posting, you see me being consistent. This is for people like me. If you like me, then you might want to take a look at it. If you go to sbcplanner.com, which I'll put a link in the comments, but SBC Planner, Successful by Choice, sbcplanner.com, it'll be a video that'll show you what's all inside the planner. And then it'll link you over to Amazon and you can just buy it off Amazon. It's only $37. But for 90 days, being consistent is the key to growing a business. It's not just getting over here every blue moon and you can't build a business like that. This is for serious business owners who want to grow their business. A lot of things need to be in place. Some people have websites, but they don't have their system set up to make them money. You have your website, but you don't have a system set up. You have to learn these things. You have to learn how to create your system so that your system can work for you 24/7. So that we're so accustomed to working for money. We're so accustomed to punching 8 hours a day and trading time for money. But you can learn and educate yourself, and then you can create a system that works 24 hours a day. And then you don't have to trade time for dollars. You can invest and spend your money and make money. You don't trade time for money. You can trade money for money after you learn certain things. But you have to first find out what it is I want to do. If I'm already doing something, how am I doing it online? Because you already know the world is online. So you need to be, if anybody got any business, they need to be pushing it online anyway. So why not just have the planner? Have the planner. You got your vision board already in here. You got your place to write your vision. You got your place to write your goals. You got your place to, and then you got steps. I included the steps. People who set their own steps, they don't a lot of people don't know what to do anyway. That's why they're not making no money in their business. You don't even know what to do. So I put the steps in here for you to follow. It's not like the regular planner. I already included the steps that help me stay on track, that help me make money. These are the steps that I take to grow my business. So I put them in here, and all we got to do is just follow the steps. Every single day, this, and this. Every single day, this, and this. Now, if you want to do it every few days, then you'll get a every few days type of result. But if you do it every single day, in 90 days, you can evaluate and see how it's helped you grow your engagement or grow your increase your sales, or it depends on your product too. I don't know what you have to sell. I don't know what type of services you have. So it all depends on your product and your services and how you advertise it. But these are the steps that I take, and these are the steps that keep me on track for growing my business. So the SBC Planner, successful by choice, sbcplanner.com, sbcplanner.com, and it's sold on Amazon. So you can watch the video on sbcplanner.com. I got a .com for everything. You can watch the video, and then if you like it, you click on that button below. It'll take you straight to Amazon, and you buying it through Amazon. Amazon will ship it to you, and then they'll give you a tracking number, and you'll be able to track it, and it'll tell you right when it's coming to your doorstep. I don't handle the shipping. I don't handle taking the card. I don't do anything. You just buy it from Amazon, and it'll be on its way. $37 for your planner. If you're going to use it. If you're going to use it and stick to it, it's going to be a game changer. So that's what I wanted to say. Guys, we're going into 2021. We done been all the way through 2020 doing the same thing. So we want to start 2021 off doing something different if the same ain't been working. Are you ready to grow to the next level? Are you ready to elevate? It's things that have to be done. So sbcplanner.com, and have a great day.